Welcome to Dasha and Timing Events. Lesson 5, Session 5, Yogini Dasha, the 36-year alternative. A faster, more intuitive Dasha system favored by many North Indian astrologers. Beyond Vimshottari. Vimshottari Dasha is the king of timing systems, but it's not the only one. Parasara described over 40 different Dasha systems in the BPHS, each with its own genius. One of the most practical alternatives is the Yogini Dasha, a compact 36-year cycle that many astrologers use as a powerful cross-check. Why 36 years? Because the Yogini system uses only 8 planetary energies, not 9, with shorter periods that repeat more frequently in a human lifetime. Where Vimshottari's 120-year cycle means most people only experience 5-6 Mahadashas, the 36-year Yogini cycle repeats about twice, giving you 2 passes through each planetary energy. Think of Vimshottari as a detailed novel and Yogini Dasha as a sharp short story. Both tell the truth, Yogini just does it faster. The 8 Yoginis. The Yogini Dasha system is named after 8 divine feminine energies, Yoginis, each associated with a planet: Mangala moon, 1 year, auspicious beginnings, emotional clarity; Pingala sun, 2 years, authority, recognition, vitality; Danya Jupiter, 3 years, prosperity, wisdom, expansion; Brahmari Mars, Mars 4 years, activity, courage, conflict, resolution; Bhadrika Mercury, 5 years, learning, communication, skill building; Oka Saturn, 6 years, discipline, karmic lessons, endurance; Siddha Venus, 7 years, achievement, pleasure, relationships; Sankata Rahu, 8 years, obstacles, Notice the elegant simplicity. Each Yogini lasts exactly 1 year more than the previous one. Ketu is notably absent. Its energy is folded into Rahu Sankata. Why Yogini Dasha works so well. Yogini Dasha has several practical advantages that explain its enduring popularity: shorter cycle, more data points. Since the cycle is only 36 years, you can look back at earlier repetitions of the same Yogini period in your life. If your Oka Saturn period was tough at age 20 to 26, you know what themes to expect when it returns at 56 to 62, less birth time sensitive. Because the periods are shorter, small errors in birth time have less impact compared to Vimshottari's longer spans. Clear good bad distinction. Classical texts are remarkably clear. Mangala, Pingala, Danya, and Siddha Yoginis are generally favorable. Brahmari is mixed. Oka and Sangata tend to be challenging. Bhadrika varies by context. Excellent for mundane predictions. For timing events in the near future, next 1,003 years, Yogini often outperforms Vimshottari because its shorter subperiods are easier to correlate with specific events. Quick check. A person is simultaneously running Saturn Mahadasha in Vimshottari and Oka Saturn Yogini. What does this double Saturn activation suggest? Is it A. Saturn's themes will be mild since the two systems cancel each other out? B. Saturn's themes will be exceptionally strong. Discipline, delays, and karmic lessons are unavoidable. C. Only the Vimshottari result matters. Yogini is just for confirmation. D. The person should switch to analyzing only Yogini Dasha. Take a moment to think. The answer is B. Saturn's themes will be exceptionally strong. Discipline, delays, and karmic lessons are unavoidable. When both timing systems activate the same planet simultaneously, that planet's themes become dominant and unavoidable. This double activation is one of the strongest indicators in predictive astrology. Saturn's lessons of discipline, patience, and karmic reckoning will be front and center. Using Yogini as a cross-check. The most sophisticated approach is to use Yogini Dasha as a second opinion on your Vimshottari analysis. Here's the method. Step 1. Identify the prediction using Vimshottari, e.g., career change likely in Jupiter, Saturn Anthar Dasha around March-August. Step 2. Check the Yogini Dasha for the same period. Is the active Yogini connected to the 10th house or career themes? Step 3. If both systems agree, confidence is high. If they disagree, the event might still happen, but with less intensity, or the timing might shift slightly. Many practicing astrologers report that predictions confirmed by both Vimshottari and Yogini have a noticeably higher accuracy rate, roughly 80-90% versus 60-70% when using only one system. The Sankata exception. Sankata, Rahahu, Yogini at 8 years is the longest and most complex period. Classical texts describe it as bringing obstacles and anxiety. The word Sankata literally means crisis or difficulty. However, like Rahu in general, it can also bring sudden unexpected gains, foreign connections, and unconventional breakthroughs. The house placement of Rahu in your chart determines whether Sankata brings crisis, breakthrough, or both. Key takeaways. What we covered, Yogini Dasha, is a 36-year cycle using 8 divine feminine energies mapped to planets. Periods run from 1 year, Mangala moon, to 8 years, Sankata Rahu. The starting Yogini depends on the moon's nakshatra. Different formula from Vimshottari, shorter cycle, means you experience each energy at least twice in a lifetime. Yogini is less birth time sensitive, and excellent for near-term predictions. Using both Vimshottari and Yogini together dramatically improves prediction accuracy. Coming up next, our final session puts it all together, using dashas to make real-life decisions about career, relationships, health, and more. Love this lesson? Visit astro.vedics.net/learn to continue the dasha and timing events. Like, subscribe, and share.